Hey everyone, in this video, so here's the photo. One of the eyes is closed. This happens a lot, especially in group shots or candid moments. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's actually pretty simple, but of course we still need to tweak it a bit so it doesn't look weird. First, let's open the photo in Photoshop. Then choose the clone stamp tool, and in the right panel under clone source, make sure to choose flip horizontal. I usually also add a bit of dodge and burn, just to match the highlights and shadows. And yeah, here's the final result. Looks pretty natural, right? That's it for now. If you like this kind of tutorial, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video.